Here is another powerful tech product from Samsung. Samsung has always been a brand to rely on when it comes to tech products, and I'm happy to share this review with you all. Today I'm going to be sharing with you 5 amazing powerful S Pen features for your Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. Before I begin, kindly like this video, subscribe to this channel, and turn on the notification bell to get access to other videos. With that said, let's get started. Samsung is working on their promise of making their S Pen give users the pen on paper feeling. We can see the improvement with what they have done with the new S Pen. Using the S Pen on the S22 Ultra, one can note that Samsung has reduced the S Pen latency down to 2.8 ms from 9 ms. Now that is a very big difference. The previous 9 ms latency S Pen was used with Galaxy Note 20 and Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. The improvement in latency with the new Samsung S Pen is something important for the Galaxy S22 Ultra users. To make the pen on paper feel more real, the scribbling sound of an actual pen writing on paper feature was added, but you can always turn it off. Note that the phone speaker and not the pen helps to bring out the scribbling sound. Lastly, before we get into the feature details, this is what the new S Pen looks like. It has a thin and almost flat body. The body of the new S Pen can be considered to be much flatter and smaller than the usual ballpoint pen. Down the tip of the pen are 2 tiny indents, which serve as a sensor to know when the pen is placed back inside the phone. Down on one side of the pen is a flat button that works for remote functions. At the top of the pen is a clickable button. Its only function is to help you remove the pen from the phone. Here are the 5 amazing features of your S Pen. Number 1. Note app and converting what's written to text. Here are 2 points. The S Pen gives you amazing use when combined with Samsung's Note app. It can also convert your handwritten note into typed text. The Samsung Note app is the app where you can do all your jotting aside from screen off memo feature. I will talk about the screen memo feature as I continue. The Samsung Notes app is a great note-taking app. This is a note app that, without the use of the S Pen, can compete with apps like Google Keep and other great note apps. But paired with the S Pen, you can be sure about the results you will get from Samsung's Note app, and it's nothing less than mind-blowing. You can use the S Pen for handwritten notes, import images, draw, highlight, and so on. The best part, your S Pen can convert your handwritten notes to typed text when you turn on the feature on your Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. I'll teach you how to do it. All you need to do is to open any app that allows you to search or type, for example, your Chrome browser or your messaging app, and touch the search or writing bar with your pen. It'll bring out a writing icon. Click on the icon with your pen and start writing with ease. It's designed to give you the exact words written. Screen off memo. The screen off memo is the feature that allows you to write with your S Pen without switching on your screen. Once you pull out your S Pen from your S22 Ultra, you can begin to jot down whatever you want on your phone without switching on the screen. You'll even get an extra feature of writing with some basic color options when using your S Pen for the screen off memo feature. There are 5 different stroke sizes for your S Pen when writing. There's also an eraser icon, an option to pin a note, and buttons to scroll up and down as you write. The best part is that the note you create will be automatically saved in the Notes app when you place the S Pen back inside the phone. Number 3. Unlocking S22 Ultra with your S Pen feature. This is another amazing feature that your S Pen has. It's very simple to use, and I will share how to set this up with you. Go to your phone settings and scroll down to look for the Advanced Features option. Click on the Advanced Features option and you will see the S Pen option. Tap on the S Pen option to reveal the S Pen Unlock option. Enable this. It will ask for your PIN after tapping it to be enabled. Input your PIN and enable the feature. Now tap the S Pen Unlock option again to enable the Use S Pen Unlock option. After this, click on OK and go back to your home page. Once on your home page, lock your screen and press the button on your S Pen to unlock it. Note that the first time you do this, your phone will still ask you for your PIN, so that all the changes made can be fully enabled. Put in your PIN and lock your screen again. This time the feature will work. Just pick your S Pen and press the button on it again and watch your phone unlock. Number 4. Resize your S22 Ultra Air Command and write on your calendar. I'll be talking about 2 different features here. Take it as a combo made just for you. If you need to use your home page or an app and at the same time you need to pick something from your Air Command, Here's how to resize your air command with your S Pen to stop it from obstructing what you initially have on your screen. Tap on Settings, scroll down to locate the Menu Style option and tap on the Menu Style option to reveal Compact. Enable the Compact feature and go to your home page. Easy peasy. How to write on your calendar? This is very easy. The first thing you need to do is to open the calendar app. At the top right part of your screen, you'll see the write icon. Click on it and begin to write whatever you wish on your calendar. The best part of this is that whatever you write gets saved on the calendar. You can always go back to your calendar app anytime to see it. Number 5. Draw perfectly. Your S Pen helps you to draw perfectly, especially when using apps like PenUp or your Samsung Note app. PenUp is an app that helps you to draw and create any design or diagram you want. You can use this app for fun or work. You can also share your work with other members of the PenUp community. You do not have to download PenUp as it comes pre-installed on the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. You can sign in with your Samsung, Facebook, Google, or Twitter account to activate your PenUp account and start drawing. Alongside this, the S Pen can help you to make the perfect shapes that you want. If you need to make a perfect shape when drawing on your Samsung Notes app, click on the draw icon to enable you to draw. Swipe the icons to the left with your S Pen and click on the Auto Fix Shape icon. You can start drawing again while the new feature helps you to fix the shape. Note, the S Pen needs to be charged to keep functioning, and this can only be done when it is inside the Galaxy S22 Ultra. It will recharge itself wirelessly when it is inside the phone. Do not make the mistake of trying to charge it with a wireless charger, which will not work. You need to place it back inside the phone to charge. The S Pen connects via Bluetooth to the Galaxy S22 Ultra. This is how it works with your device. The connection helps it to perform every function you want it to, or to show you its battery status. I hope you found this video educational and fun. You can also check my other videos to see other product reviews that you'll love. Take a minute to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and turn on the notification bell to get access to other videos. Goodbye for now.